Hey there! Welcome to Ledger Tutorials. I'm Rammy from Ledger, and today I'm going to walk you through setting up your Ledger Flex. If you've not done this before and you're a bit nervous, don't worry. It's good to be cautious with digital asset security, and you're doing exactly the right thing by watching the official Ledger tutorial. So, in this video, I'm going to walk through everything you see in the rundown right here that you'll need to set up your Ledger device securely. Now, let's get started with what's in the box. This is the fun part, but it's also the first step in checking that your Ledger device is genuine. So, you should have your Ledger device, a USB-C cable, 3 blank recovery sheets, a quick start guide, and a leaflet with the use, care, and regulatory details. With your Ledger device unboxed, let's continue. The first thing we're going to do is download the Ledger Live app onto your smartphone. Go to the App Store or Play Store to download the Ledger Live app. Open the Ledger Live app, tap Get Started, and set up your Ledger. Next, choose your Ledger device. Now your phone will start looking for a Ledger device, so we need to turn it on. Also, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Next, turn on your Ledger device so it can be found by pressing and holding the button on the right side. Tap to continue, and when your phone has found your device, you will see the code that enables pairing. Check that the code on your phone is the same as the code on your Ledger device. And if it is, press Yes on your device, and the pairing will begin. And we're done! The Ledger device is now paired. Next, you need to check that your Ledger device is official and that the operating system is up to date. The device check function is designed so that only genuine Ledger devices will be able to communicate with the Ledger Live interface, so this is an important safety feature to confirm. On your phone, tap Check Ledger, and on your device, tap Allow to establish a secure connection. Then, the checks will start, and if everything is correct, great, you can continue. Now, you can name your device. Tap Set Name and then confirm once you've set one you're happy with. It's time to choose a PIN to lock and unlock your Ledger device. Tap Choose My PIN and then enter a PIN that contains between 4 and 8 digits. We recommend using 8 digits for maximum security. Confirm your PIN, and now your PIN is set. Now, I'm going to show you how to set up your new Ledger device. Start by tapping to continue and then choose Set Up as New Ledger. You'll see some information about generating your secret recovery phrase. This is important because it is the foundation of your Ledger device's security. Tap Continue when you're ready, and then I understand. Now, you need to start recording the 24 words in your secret recovery phrase. I must say at this point that we're showing this part for demonstration purposes only. Never show your secret recovery phrase to anyone. Do not take a photo of it, as that can put you at risk of being hacked. You, and only you, should have physical record of it, and this is what the recovery sheets are for. Keep them safe and out of reach. Once you wrap the prompt on the screen and you're ready to record your secret recovery phrase, tap Continue. Write down the first group of 4 words in the correct space on your recovery sheet. Then, tap Next to reveal the next 4 words, and repeat this until all 24 spots are filled. Tap Done, and you'll be asked to start confirming that all 24 words have been recorded correctly. Tap Start Confirmation, and check you have recorded the right word in the right place on your recovery sheet. If you've confirmed all 24 words correctly, you'll see Secret Recovery Phrase Confirmed, and tap to continue. Now, you'll see some important reminders about keeping your phrase safe. Now, the final part of setting up your secret recovery phrase is choosing whether you're happy to only record your phrase on the recovery sheet or if you'd like a digital backup as well. The digital option Ledger provides is called Ledger Recover, which is an optional subscription service that backs up your wallet access. This means if you ever lose your secret recovery phrase, you can still recover your private keys using your Ledger Recover ID. For this video, I'm going to show you the process that does not involve a digital backup. On your phone, tap No, I'm good with paper. Then read the disclaimer, tap I understand, and you can proceed. We're almost done. You just need to install the blockchain apps on your Ledger device that let you communicate with the corresponding blockchain, so you can review and sign transactions for the crypto you own. On your phone, read the prompt about blockchain apps and then tap Install Now to start using your Ledger device to manage your digital assets. You can also customize your device by giving it a name or displaying your favorite NFT on the screen. It's your Ledger device. Get creative and enjoy it. And that's it. Your Ledger device is set up, customized, and ready to use with Ledger Live. Now you can start buying, selling, swapping, or staking assets directly from secure environment of your Ledger device. So in this video, we covered all the steps involved in setting up your Ledger device. To find more information about everything we covered, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching this Ledger tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel for more, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to comment. Till next time, stay secure.